follow the next one. This is my middle fingers. And we're gonna scoop this part. I might need a little bit more.
Alright, and quick reminder to everybody just tuning in. Any product you see Nancy use, you can get them from our official website at glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. And for the Omega Gel in particular, currently we have our March subscription box going on. And if you get that, you get $120 worth of value for only $30. Cancel anytime. And you will also get a coupon code in there to get you a free Omega Gel.
That is so awesome. I feel like this is a lot of Omega Gel. Maybe less. I'm gonna scoop it all out first, and then I'm gonna spread it and place it on my nails. Maybe I can have time today doing some of the 3D flowers. So this is number 6. That is my index. Same thing, using, I'm gonna spread it. So this is not condensed glue gels, not extra thick condensed glue gels. A lot of questions will ask that, you know, can it using extra thick condensed glue gel? Actually, with testing it was because it was special for is flat back crystal and 3D crystal, and it's tacky layer, and the consistency in the formula are different. Hey, if you are trying it out, let us know how it turned out, okay? So this is my ring finger. So my ring finger and my index finger is the same number, which is number 6. That's a lot of clients have, is like ring finger, middle fingers, index fingers has similar, like maybe one size smaller.
And spice nail, so everybody have a different size. So you definitely want to size your own nail if you want to do it. And the current one we're using is coffin long.
Yes, I did. And then here, can you show the chart? This is just for me, but then I did for the clients. I put it on my profile on their clients, like they make appointment, and then some of their profile for their information, the email stuff that usually put in the chart. This is for me. All the different size and different shape and then different length, I have it there. So then that way, and then each of the shape is slightly a little bit different length and shape. So make sure you size them all. If the client that is doing your gel extension, I would suggest to size all of them. If you're doing the first appointment with them, or somehow, some way you're able to get a size, it doesn't take a lot to size it. You know, take about really quick few minutes when they have no like products on. It's good to size everything. So next time they say, oh Nancy, I think I'm gonna change it to almond today. So, oh, okay. So then you already have a chart ready to go. So I spread all 4 of them out. So then now I get a little bit of extra of the Omega gels on this one, as this nails, my index is kind of a little bit curved, like really nice curved out. So I'm gonna need a little bit of extra. Is that, can you see it?
Yeah.
So I'm going ahead again, 45-degree angle. I'm gonna leave it like this so you can see that how good and solid it is. So then you don't have to worry about your gel extension glues running everywhere, or you're like, oh my gosh, can you please holding the lamp when you're trying to get pleasant. This is gonna be really make it easy. See that how we go 45-degree angle and then slowly press it down. So now if the nails are crooked, you can go to the left, shift it to the left, shift it to the right to make sure they are going straight direct to where, and you see that how it's really bonding into the cuticle area. And then you just gently press it down until it's meet in completely cover the free edges of your nails. All right, so look at one more time, feeling if it need to get, you know, adjusting it. Do your tips to make sure they're not crooked, and then you can flash key it really quick before you move to the next nails. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and flash key it for 30 seconds, and I see a little bit extra right here. I'm gonna clean it just really quick using the tips of it, so then that way when we finish, it was not a lot of, you know, cleanings for you.